So please feel free to open this video on your television and then have the Matrice drone or another drone with you, so you can see what I'm going through and how I'm going through each of the steps. It's quite methodical and quite detailed, and again, just take away what you want to take away, but hopefully it covers a whole load of areas that you might not have thought of before when it comes through your own drone inspections. So without further ado, let's get going. So the order that you will do your checks for your drone, completely up to you. I'll show you how I will go about my checks, and then you can test and adjust as it were for how you wish to conduct yours. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at a gimbal and the camera. What we will also do is have a look at the main body of the aircraft and make sure there's no cracks or dirt and things like that. We'll also have a look at the propellers, and I'll just show you some tips and tricks in order to inspect your propellers that hopefully you'll find just interesting and then easy for you to inspect. We'll also have a look at the batteries as well, and we'll take you through something interesting there. A lot of this actually relates to the official DJI Matrice 4E or Matrice series inspection handbook, which they have. I will link this into the description so you can download it and have a look for yourselves. And I'm going to go through as well about the cycles. So DJI recommend that with batteries, after a certain number of cycles, you do a full battery recharge and then run through a system in order to basically service them yourself, as it were. And then also the replacement of the batteries when they should be replaced, along with the propellers as well. So I'll go through all of that for you.